سلام به همگی، من آریلم و امروز قراره بهتون 5 تا فیلم عاشقانه تراژدی معرفی کنم که اگر به این ژانر علاقه داشته باشید حتما عاشقشون میشید. این 5 تا فیلم توی این ژانر جزو علاقه‌مندی‌های خودم هم هست و پیشنهاد میکنم حتما ببینیدشون. قبل از اینکه شروع بکنیم لایک ویدیو رو بزنید که بریم سراغ معرفی امروز. اولین فیلم لیست یه عاشقانه خاصه بین یه دختر پر انرژی و یه پسر ثروتمند که یه اتفاق بد باعث شده زندگیش تغییر کنه. رابطهشون خیلی لطیف و قشنگ پیش میره ولی در عین حال واقع گرایانه است. فیلم من پیش از تو ساخت سال 2016. این فیلم اونقدر احساس داره که تا مدت‌ها ذهنت درگیرش میمونه. اگه دنبال یه فیلم احساسی و خوش ساختی این فیلمو از دست نده.
Pieces in the bag.
I don't know, Clark. Believe it or not, I rarely pack it myself.
Okay, hang on. Got it. Oh, you should just be grateful it wasn't in your trousers. Oh, look at this sauce.
فیلم دوم در مورد یه دختره که یه بیماری نادر داره و نمیتونه زیر نور خورشید بره، اما یه روز با یه پسر آشنا میشه و همه چیز توی زندگیش عوض میشه. فیلم خورشید نیمه شب ساخت سال 2018. یه عاشقانه خیلی لطیف و ساده است ولی از اون فیلماست که وقتی تمام میشه یه حس قشنگ و غم انگیز تو دلت میمونه. اگه حالا هوای من پیش از تو رو دوست داشتی اینم عاشقش میشی.
It's not going to fall into remission, and every year the risk becomes more serious.
So I spend all my time indoors, behind special windows, sleeping during the day and staying up all night, and playing music every chance I get. So I'll keep
Hey.
What should I have said? Hey, I'm Katie Price. I've watched you outside my window for the past 10 years and I've been in love with you, stalking you every minute.
This is what Taylor Swift does. She has awkward interactions with boys and then she just writes amazing songs about it.
I don't understand how we've never met. I've probably skated by your house every day on the way to practice. Hey, you wouldn't want to do something sometime, would you?
I'm really busy during the day, but I could be free at night.
What does Katie Price want to do?
There's so many things I want to do.
I've been looking at the stars tonight.
Wait, where are you taking me?
Your first live show.
That was literally one of the best things ever.
Right?
فیلم سوم در مورد 2 تا نوجوانه که هر کدومشون مشکلات خودشونو دارن ولی وقتی همو پیدا میکنن کم کم یاد میگیرن چطوری با دراشون کنار بیان. فیلم همه مکانهای روشن ساخت سال 2023. فیلم به طرز خاصی آروم و عمیقه، هم قشنگه هم تلخ. یه جورایی از اون فیلمایی که شاید اولش ساده به نظر بیاد ولی آخرش میفهمی چقدر تاثیرگذار بوده.
Can we choose our partners?
For my geography class, this teacher wants us to do this project with a partner. I just don't want to do it.
Well, maybe it's time to get back out there.
What do you want from me?
I think it would be good for you to get out.
Maybe I don't want to get out.
You might end up loving it.
No, I won't.
2 wanders. That's all. Serious question. What are you most afraid of?
Being ordinary.
So don't be ordinary.
What's going on with you? You seem like goofy.
What are you looking at?
There's a kid on my lawn.
You know what I like about you, Ultraviolet?
What?
You're all the colors in one, at full brightness.
You know people call you the freak, right?
Sometimes I get into these dark moods.
Did you look into that support group I told you to check out? I want you to think about it.
I need to do things that remind me that I'm in control.
People don't like messy.
We're different.
You know that he's kind of dangerous. No, he's not. I've texted him for the past couple days and he hasn't responded.
He's not easy. He just gets in this mood sometimes.
چهارمین فیلم یه عاشقانه با حال و هوای متفاوته. ماجرای دختریه که بعد از دست دادن عشقش هنوز نمیتونه فراموشش بکنه و یه اتفاق عجیب باعث میشه بین دنیای واقعی و دنیای بعد از مرگ قرار بگیره. فیلم دنیای میانه ساخت سال 2022. یه فیلم خاص مخصوص کسایی که به عشقای ماندگار و فراتر از مرز مرگ و زندگی اعتقاد دارن.
Cheesy.
Maybe I'll see you here again sometime.
You said he was cute.
Emojis are cute. That guy is melting my sunglasses, Tess.
I think you could sell this stuff, but there is something that's missing from, like, all of your photos. You. I love you, Tessa.
Welcome back to the world of the living.
Maybe you don't like talking too much about yourself.
I can't believe he's gone.
Told me that you were thinking about someone else.
I just wish I could see him one more time, even for a minute.
Broke down.
You loved him, and he knew that.
I know you like this. You broke me
I don't understand. What is happening?
When the separation is dramatic, there's unfinished business. He's in the in-between. He's reaching out to you. Reach back.
Your ghost hunting assistant has arrived.
A Ouija board.
Oh my god, I moved. Sorry, that was me.
If you do manage to cross, there may be no way back.
I'm gonna find him.
I'm still here, Tess.
آخرین فیلم لیست از اون عاشقانه هاییه که با یه ایده خاص شروع میشه. فیلم بهترین ها ساخت سال 2024. داستان در مورد دختریه به اسم هریت که بعد از یه حادثه دردناک به طرز عجیبی مدام به گذشته برمیگرده. هر بار یه فرصت جدید داره تا شاید مسیر زندگی خودش و عشقش مکس رو تغییر بده. فیلم از نظر احساسی قویه و از اون فیلمیه که تا آخرش نمیتونی حدس بزنی قراره چی بشه.
Would you want me to?
What?
Two years ago, my boyfriend Max passed away.
I can't seem to pull myself back together.
Ever since the accident, certain songs literally pull me back into the past.
What do you want to do today?
All of it.
Maybe it's time to start living in the present tense again. I used to listen to this album over and over. And I love how music can do that.
What?
Pull you back to some moment in time.
Just stop the car!
What if I can save him? What if I can change that moment and the accident never happens?
You met someone new. How's this a bad thing?
I would still listen to every record that ever existed.
خب بچه ها اینم از معرفی امروز. اگر از این فیلم ها خوشتون اومد یا قبلا دیدیدشون حتما نظرتون راجع بهشون برام توی کامنت ها بنویسید و اگر به ژانر خاصی علاقه دارید حتما بهم بگید تا براتون راجع بهش ویدیو درست بکنم. یادتون نره ویدیو رو لایک بکنید، چنل رو سابسکرایب کنید و زنگوله رو بزنید تا اولین نفری باشید که ویدیوی بعدی رو میبینه. مرسی که تا آخر ویدیو همراه ما بودین. تا ویدیوی بعدی، خدا نگهدار.